subs, and I'm going to show you how to build a business. So we're going to build the business together. I've already started it, but I'm going to take you along the process the whole way. So I came up with a do-it-yourself gummy kit. So what this is just kind of how to make gummies at your house, super legit style. So I'm going to show you everything that I do. If I get 50,000 followers by the last day of the year, the last second of the last day of the year, I will give you my recipe. I'm going to show you everything there is literally on how to make the gummy kit, how to produce, how to source the ingredients, how to, cost things out, everything from marketing to get on Amazon, which I am on Amazon, how to kind of build the website, what I use. And if anyone, I hate being a salesman. That's why I'm a good starter. I'm not much of a salesman, but the ones who go to my website, zippygypsy.com, I'm going to give you the Let Your Soul Shine coffee mug. This is what I've been doing, man. This is why the cooking videos kind of took the back seat. So I think you guys hopefully will be as interested in building the business, seeing all of the aspects, literally. Like if there's any questions that you have, like please feel free to ask away. I should probably open up the kit, shouldn't I? Maybe the next video. Peace.